and then last is the Liverpool Gear. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, and today I have not a Stitch Fix, but a Wantable Fix. Wantable, like Stitch Fix, is a styling service, and I will have all the information down below. How much? Oh my goodness, this is really, whew. Okay, I'll be back. A little tag here says styled for Ann, and this, wow, this looks like fall. Always the return envelope, postage paid. Okay. Let me get rid of the paper that is so noisy. Okay. My stylist is Dominic, and I've never had him before, but we'll see how he does. Okay, first thing we have here is some jewelry, which I don't really need to get jewelry. Oh, it's a bracelet. This is pretty. This is the beaded wrap bracelet in gold and neutral. This is pretty. I love little dainty. I guess you can see that. And then next, this is by Vanilla Bay. It is short sleeve dolman top in dusty peach. Okay, this looks really wide, but it is a small. I like the color. This is the 78 and Sunny Grand Terraced Twist Neck Tank in Arctic Wolf. Arctic Wolf. Twist. Oh, I see. It's got the little twist right here. Almost. Kind of looks like a mistake, but it's not. And it is cute. It kind of adds a little interest. Okay, next is, this is the Skyzer Blue Swiss Dot Contrast Short Sleeve Jersey Top in Dusty Blue. Again, I like the color. Oh wow, this is cute. Oh, okay. It's got the buttons on the back, in the back. It's got the cute little flutter sleeves. The front, yeah, this is the front, and it's just the solid, and then the back has the, they're calling it dotted Swiss. I don't know. This is very, very, very light. These are some new labels to me. Band of the Free. Band of the Free is the brand, and then Anthem of the Sun. Dress, black sundress, black spice coral. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I needed some commas in there somewhere, I think. Oh, it is a dress. Goodness gracious. Okay. Yeah. First of all, it is cute. I must say, I do like the pattern, and it's really cute. It's got what looks like to me umpire waist, or empire, umpire, ampere, however you say it, waist. It's got a little tie. We'll see. But this is, the brand is Joy Susan. Never heard of Joy Susan. And it is the Kelly North-South Tote in amber. Okay. Oh, well that's cute. It's actually like two purses, because you can, I guess there's strap in here. Okay. All right. I bet this is like a crossbody, which I love that. It's a pretty fall color. Nice neutral. It's, okay, I was gonna tell you what was inside of it, so hang on a second, because I did not do that, but it's got a zipper pocket inside. I don't know if I can show you that, but it has a zipper pocket inside, just one zipper pocket. And on the outside, okay, here's your like cell phone access or whatever, quick access. But I kind of like this. Actually, I'm not going to take, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not going to take anything off of it because I saw the price and I'm not sure that I want to spend that. And last is the Geo Glider Cruiser in Myrtle Beach by Liverpool. Okay, these are cute. I like this. I'm not sure I'm gonna like the length. Of course I can pull them up. I'm not sure I need shorts right now. I'm not sure I'm in the mood for that, but let me go try these things on and we will see what we think. All right, this little Anthem of the Sundress by Band of the Free is $110. And here it is with this purse, which is Kelly North South Tote in Amber by Joy Susan. This is $74. I think it's really cute. It's a twofer because it's got that little crossbody in there, which I love crossbodies, especially for shopping where your hands are free. I like the color of this. I think this is really, really pretty. I did just order a purse from Amazon not that color, but I really like that the more I'm looking at it down there on the floor. But I did just order a purse from Amazon that was a lot less than that. Probably not as cute as that, but now to the dress, from the good to the bad. This looks terrible on me, and I know it. I've got broad shoulders, and this square neck thing does not do one thing for me. Also, I can't get this where it's supposed to be, which is under my bust and not. I have to let y'all know that after I tried this on and after I filmed it, I realized that the straps are adjustable so that you can actually, I could have pulled it down to where it fit under my bust, which would have made a difference, but I still would not have liked it on me because of the square neck and all. But wanted to let you know that. Across my bust. And the tie, like, here's the waist, or not the waist, the whatever. There's this, and then here's a little thing that just hangs down like that. I think it's a cute dress for somebody. It is not for me, and it is $110. I don't know if I just told you that or not, but I also tried it on. Hang on one second, I'll be back. I tried it on with my jean jacket, and if I were gonna do this, which I'm not, I would untie the tie because those just fall in a weird place, and I still don't like it. I don't know, I just don't like it, and especially for $110. On to the next item. Okay. The Liverpool shorts. I tucked them up, one tuck. They were also cut unevenly, but just a little bit. First of all, I don't really want jeans right now. I mean shorts anyway, but I don't like this. I don't like this length on me. I like my shorts a little bit shorter, and I really don't like me in shorts, so these would be a no. The shirt is cute enough. It's kind of plain to me. I mean, you do have the little bit of this to kind of dress it up, but not dress it up, but liked it better once I tucked it in. I thought it was cuter. I don't just love it. And it is $54. Oh, I requested this, it says. Okay. I requested it. It's cute. $54. I don't think it's $54 cute. So I'll be back with the next top. I forgot to show it to you untucked, to show you where it hits. So there you go. Now I'll be right back. Okay, let's get this out of the way. This is the Vanilla Bay short sleeve dome and top in Dusty Peach. And it is a size small, and it's $49. Like, I tried tucking it in to see if it was cute, and it's not. I'll untuck it for you and show you. It just seems shapeless, and yeah, no. This will be a no. Let me show you really quick the bracelet. It's pretty cute. I mean, you know, $34. When my kids were all in school, my youngest was like in 6th grade, I was kind of bored. And I went to work for just a local company here, their business that makes jewelry. And we literally would sit around, and people could come in and buy it, but we would sit around and make jewelry and just talk. It was the most fun job I've ever had. And we even designed it. We would design our jewelry and put it on display, and then they would sell them. But I know how easy this is and how inexpensive this is even today versus whatever that was 15 years ago. But anyway, this is a no. Now, this one, this was like super, super tight. I think it's cute. I like the detail on the neck. That twisted kind of thing is interesting. It just was skin tight. But this is the 78 and Sunny Grand Terrace Twist Neck Tank in Arctic Wolf, $34. I think I'm probably going to keep that purse. I think the purse is really cute, and I like the crossbody small one. This I think is cute-ish. I think the back is a whole lot cuter than the front, and it did get cuter when I tucked it in, as I said. But here's the back detail, which is what's on the sleeves. I don't have anything this color or like this. I like the sleeves. I don't know, I might think about this. I don't know. I forgot how much it was. This is $54. Was it 54? I can't remember. So I probably won't. But I do think I'll keep that purse. I do really like that purse. So that's it for this Wantable unboxing. I get Wantable once a month now, so that's why you don't see them too often with me. But this was not a terrible box. It really wasn't. It wasn't a great box, but it wasn't a terrible box. I really like the purse, so I think that's a win. I might look on Amazon and see if I can find something similar, but because I know the purse was $74, but purse, crossbody. So one thing I forgot to tell you is that with Wantable, you get more than 5 things. I got 7 this time. I did not tell you about the merchandise total, which was $430. Wow. The Keep 5 discount would have been $86. I can't remember what their discount is. And I sure can't do that in my head. For 20%, right? Yeah, okay, that equals 20%. But this is with all 7. The grand total would have been $350.73, tax, everything. So now that is it for this. I will see you next time, y'all. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.